This is our new AI agent framework UI. We have restructured the UI in order to give the user more features. You can see the settings button where the user can select which large language model they want to use. Currently we are using GPT 4.0 and soon enough we'll be using our own large language model in-house, hosted in our own GPU that is Llama 3. You can connect multiple databases. For this use case, we will use the SQL database. This SQL database has a sales history of some inventory. We will demonstrate the capability of agents to answer any queries based on the inventory's current situation. So let us say if you have any historical sales, if you want to order something, our agent framework will be able to do that. This workflow has capability of executing Python code as well as looking into SQL database and send some mails as well. First of all, ask the question. Let us deep dive into it. What are the different product names we have in our inventory? We don't know anything about it yet. So let us ask our agent whether they know it or not. Now we have made the UI in such a way. As already mentioned, each and individual agent's interaction is displayed in whatever tools are getting called. You get to see the output as well. This is pretty straightforward. That our different product names are this. You want to deep dive and you want to see what exactly did the agent do. How did they arrive at this? You can click on the View All button. And you can see what exact steps they have taken. So first they have gone to the schema extraction part. They have gone to the table information. Then they have written a SQL query itself, and using the capability of executing those SQL queries, they have finally arrived at the conclusion. It removes all the annoying part of the hallucination. You can get to see what exactly the agent do. If you don't like it, or if you think it made a mistake, you can ask a follow-up question. Let's ask it another question. Can you tell us what exactly the month-wise sales that happened for the second product? Whether they are able to understand the exact history or not? As you can see, it's simply going through all the required steps trying to get the information for monthly sales for that specific item. As you can see in the second question, I did not mention the name of the product. By looking at the historical context, it understood which specific product I'm referring to, and it has given us the monthly sales for this particular product. Now we might think, okay, we have the data till November 2024. What about December? We don't have it on an inventory. So why don't we ask it to predict the sales quantity using Python's code execution capability? So simply take an average trend and predict the December sales. It gives us the output with the exact steps it is going to take. It is running the Python code and eventually it'll come up with the value. So as you can see, it has done a simple average trend-based analysis and it has come up to the solution as 335 units approximation will be sold and sales value is $9,797. We don't have it in our inventory. We might want to place the order of this much units to any of our vendors. So I'd like to ask Ashutosh if I can use your email ID to show this particular capability.
Yes.
I'll simply trigger a mail. We are asking our agent to place this number of units to our vendor. Hypothetically it's Ashutosh in this scenario. That's Ashutosh's email ID and send. Some simple natural language interactions. You're performing complex variety of tasks. This is the capability of Agentic AI. Now the order of 335 units for this particular product has been successfully placed with the vendor and an email has been sent to Ashutosh Ranjan for confirmation. Ashutosh, can you confirm?
Yes, I have received the email. I will take the screenshot and put it in the chat. Thank you.
This is the entire capability and it can be integrated with any software.